Okay, good morning guys. Because winter is hitting Banaras, so I have to wear this jacket. Now point is this project. How should you choose project? What should be your project? I am going to give you best advice ever. And see, when I was in UG of my aeronautical engineering, and that time suggestions were not enough, because main thing is like it's not like seniors are well aware or professors are advising you properly. No, it is not that kind of, like, it is not that easy way. I mean, that time it was not that much easy way that okay, like only few words people used to come in people's mind that okay, you do this thing and you do that thing, or okay, you go theoretically on this topic or this topic, this topic, you just take care of nozzle, or you just take care of stress analysis or something. Very limited things people used to talk about aeronautical aerospace projects. So aeronautical aero, I say aero projects. So especially I am talking about Indian students, and especially for those students who are in who are not in good college, like if they feel that they are not in good college, especially if you are watching this video sitting in NITs or IITs and something, definitely you will be having a proper background, or definitely you will be having proper reach, or the future focus, or the future path, like what to do, what not to do, what kind of project is good for you, and blah blah things you'll be having. But see, actually why I'm making this video, because I take classes for GATE Aerospace Engineering. If you are my regular viewer, you will be aware of this. I have qualified GATE Aerospace exam 6 times, and again in 2023 I am going to take one more attempt. Actually, see, it's been roughly 8+ years. I am about to touch 9 years of teaching GATE Aerospace subjects. I have given so many toppers in GATE Aerospace Engineering, and my students are sitting into several IITs. So you don't take my advice, you don't underestimate my advice. I'm going to give you best advice here. Even though if this is not helpful for you, at least this video you can suggest to your juniors or maybe your colleagues. And again, this video is going to help you for your upcoming your PG level or your PhD programs. So your foundation is this. See, many students are not able to qualify GATE exam because their foundation is not strong. That's why they join coaching center. But the moment they join coaching center, they have pressure. Everything is kind of rushed, like they have to rush into the preparation module. So that's why most of the time their efforts are sufficient, but the timing and that is not the right thing. In same way, projects plays very important role in your career. I'm not saying in your UG itself, in your entire career, the entire project what you decide. Sometimes people go for internship. They join any internship. Really, that is also one. But actually, see what happens. You may be aware of those kind of friends or students who are not having proper city exposure, who are not having proper aerospace or aeronautical exposure. Somehow they managed money and they came to private college. I know these situations at very ground level, because like almost every year 150 to 200 students I take care for GATE aerospace preparation. So like when they join me as a coaching center, like they used to interact with me and they used to talk all those things what they don't talk to you as well. Maybe like I mean to say that at friends level. So when I was student, I used to think that okay, these things are there only in our friend circle. We are having this trouble of project and issues, internships and all. But really, so sorry for the video part. Actually, this video will go lengthy, I think roughly 25 minutes video. So if you don't have time, pause this video now or save this, watch later. So actually before during Diwali, on Diwali itself, I got fever and body pain and all. Then I went for a blood test and it came typhoid. So I was suffering from typhoid. So you can see from last 10 days, I think 11-12 days, I could not upload any video. And this video I wanted to upload long back, before 2-3 years, because when my students used to ask me, sir, which project, and or if they are enrolled in any particular project, then sir, how to do this, sir, how to do this, how to do that, then I used to deal with them and I used to suggest them. Sometimes their projects used to be like wow, but actually even though sometimes your project is wow, it is not going to help you in future. So for that purpose I am trying to create this video. Now I'm properly all right. My blood count and platelets are sufficient. So every day I was taking GATE aerospace class at least for 1 hour, because continuity is very, very important. It was like whole day and night I was not able to talk to my family also, but somehow I was collecting my energy, and night time around 9 I used to take at least 1 hour, 1.5 hour GATE classes. Then I realized that, man, health is very, very important. Yeah. So what is the best way and where the project is going to help you? First you understand where the project is going to help you. And one more thing, if you are that type of person, like you have so much money in your account, or you can afford any private college in India or abroad, then this video is not helpful for you, because you can change anything anytime because of money. Really, I believe in this. If you are not being successful somewhere in Indian colleges, like quickly you will say to your father like, nahi, ab chalo abroad chalte hain, means now I have to go, let's move. So like they will settle down few things, and just after few arrangements you will be there in UK, in USA somehow. But this kind of situation is very popular among those students who are coming from not exactly background, rural background, but still kind of that background, where they used to call me that, sir, can I get internship in HAL? Can I get internship in DRDO? Can I get internship in ISRO? Like they don't have proper ideas. So I thought I will talk about this project thing. So now how should you choose your project? First thing, you figure out, see, I am not going to tell you that, okay, make drones or something. No, that is totally bullshit. That is not going to help you a lot. See, one thing is very, very clear. You are working as per your interest, or you are working according to the market strategy, because in future you have to hit the industry. I am not saying to those students who are going to convert their future into like as a professor or as a lecturer. It is like, even though there also it is very helpful. For example, my project was on shock waves, and I did 2 more projects on wind tunnel, and another one was not mine. I forgot the name. So total 3 projects I have done. So point is, when you are selecting your project, first thing you keep in mind, whether are you going to perform your master degree or not. If you are going to perform your master degree, then you should choose your project extremely with wise nature. Because if you are not choosing your project with wise nature, actually, you know what will happen? Someone will guide you that, okay, or usually what happens that, okay, your professor, I'm saying really very sorry to all the professors, but some professors, they just for their like timing or something, they will give any, sometimes I have seen this, I have noticed, like they will give any bullshit project to the student, like, okay, complete this. They will group for 2-3 students, or according to the strength of the college, and do this, complete this. Because so no, if you have the chance to choose the project, then you do one thing. Keep in this mind, are you going to do masters or not? And as per Indian condition, I know very well, masters very, very important, very, very important. Either MTech, ME or MS, very, very important. Okay, till PhD you can hold yourself. I mean, after masters you can hold yourself, but master degree is very, very important. So GATE exam is very, very important. So if you want to prepare for GATE exam, enroll immediately to me, with me, and my number is WhatsApp number. Don't call me, please. First give me WhatsApp number. WhatsApp this thing 6380135260. Now see, when you will log in to different IITs, now I'm going to explain from where you can catch those projects easily, man. So actually, all the IITs, they have given list of subjects. Get my logic? List of subjects what they are going to run in their master degree curriculum. Okay. Now in that, if you go to your MS section, like every IIT websites are having their academic section, or somewhere some folders will be there. You go there, and you just, I hope you got the idea. You go there, tick on that, and after that some lists will open. Download the PDF and analyze that PDF in detail. It will definitely consume your 8 to 10 hours, or maybe as per your IQ level, like how fast you can do this. So you just do that. like I will tell you which like what are those IITs. Like you do one thing, you do this for IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur, IIT Madras, IIT Kharagpur, IISc Bangalore also you can do this, and वो कौन सी IIT है, IIT Dharwad. Okay, so you go through these IITs academics. Okay, and if I'm very sorry if I'm missing any one or two names, but I'm trying to convey the idea. You go to their MTech or MS section academics, download the PDF, then you check what are the projects they are running. This is the best way. Now, some related projects, like many people are not even having idea in first year, in second year, like what kind of projects they should do, or if they are doing any project, how it is going to help you. Now, the point is, when you are in first year or when you are in 12th class, you dream that you will become an aeronautical engineer, aerospace engineer, and you are going to design the spacecraft, and with your own spacecraft you will go to Mars. How many of you used to imagine this? Or how many of you used to think that one day I will become like Sir Abdul Kalam or something? It used to be there, man. In our case also, like I used to think that after being aeronautical aerospace engineer in UG level, like I am going to design the entire spacecraft and I'll be sitting there in a spacecraft. So, but later I realized that this is not the scene. When I started growing up in this sector, when I started, so till my UG level, I was not having that much sense that, oh, I was totally into academics, like, okay, study, semester, this, that. Time gone. So that's why this video is will help you a lot. Definitely this video will add value in your life, in your career. You just download those PDFs, make like copy this, and then analyze like what is your interest. You have interest in aircraft structure department, you have interest in propulsion, aerodynamics, flight mechanics, space dynamics, like in which department you have your interest. According to your interest, then because you can approach also, like when you are making the complete list, then you will figure out your interest, that okay, this part. And suppose you are not aware of any particular topic, that okay, in this topic what are we going to do in this topic, so first you take down some 10-20 topics, and then, because see, those topics if you are taking, then one way is very clear that in future when you are performing your master degree, the same project you can take over, same project. So I hope you got the idea. In this way only you have to go through. And now what is the next part? You can also see that again you have one more type of list you have, like whatever companies are coming into the placement in different IITs, because your final goal is to get job. Okay, I'm not talking about some superheroes. They are doing degree not for the job purpose, they are doing degree just for knowledge purpose, and they don't even bother about job or companies or something. So those superheroes I'm not talking. I'm talking about the average candidate who is studying for like just to grow. Like some people are there, they are doing aeronautical not for because they love aeronautical, they are just doing aeronautical because they have money, and like it is kind of social respect. Like okay, my son or my daughter is doing aeronautical aerospace engineering from this college or that college, and after that they will jump to some MBA or something. Like anyway, that is not a commentable part. So but this video will help you. You do one thing, download those pages, and then you go to that section where they are saying what are the companies coming into their sector. Just an example, you just check out Boeing is coming or not. Then you go to Boeing's website, you go to their proforma. In that, whatever parts are going on, like I mean to say, whatever type of R&D is going on, according to that also you select your project. Because finally, where will you work? If you have potential to create your own company, to build up your own company, then you are safe side, totally safe side. You will work in your own company. But in that case, if you don't have so many crores, in that case, what will you do? You have to work in a company, right? So if you have the proper vision, at least you will be safe side than other students. And somehow find time, pay attention on Python, somehow find time, CFD and some related softwares like SolidWorks, like somehow you pay attention here. If you are watching this video and you are in first year, don't waste your time. Give time in coding. Because see, you will realize if you are in first year, in 2-3 years you will realize that what you were thinking about Aero branch, that is not the reality of Aero branch. Okay, anyway, I have to talk a few more things about this, but I think it is sufficient now. I will make another video on another interesting topic. Okay, thank you.